The multiverse isn't a single idea, but a collection of theories suggesting our universe is one of many. From quantum mechanics' many worlds interpretation to cosmic inflation's bubble universes, science offers mathematical models that hint at an infinite mosaic of realities. For instance, the many worlds interpretation arises from the Schrödinger equation, implying that every quantum event spawns new branches. Meanwhile, mystics and astral projectors have described these realms for millennia, calling them the astral plane, the mental plane, or the causal plane. In traditions like Tibetan Buddhism, practitioners report visiting Pure Lands or other dimensions through deep meditation. This convergence suggests the multiverse is both a scientific frontier and a spiritual reality, a meeting point where equations and experiences validate each other. Astral projection is a method to explore the non-physical dimensions. Seasoned projectors report visiting parallel realities, meeting other versions of themselves, and accessing infinite knowledge. These experiences provide qualitative evidence for the multiverse, complementing the cold equations of physics. For example, Robert Monroe's journeys, documented in his book Journeys Out of the Body, revealed structured layers of reality, each with its own laws, landscapes, and inhabitants. He described a locale Roman 2 where thought creates reality instantly, akin to a quantum foam of possibilities. Similarly, ancient shamans used drumming or plant medicines to journey into spirit worlds, encountering guides and alternate selves. This first-hand data, though subjective, aligns with the mathematical predictions of multiverse theories, suggesting that astral projection is a practical tool for exploring the cosmos within. If the multiverse is the mechanism, source consciousness is the purpose. Source is pure potentiality, seeking to experience every facet of its being. Imagine an ultimate artist painting infinite canvases. Each universe is a unique expression, and we are the eyes through which Source perceives itself. This concept echoes the Hindu idea of Brahman, the undifferentiated reality that manifests as the many gods and worlds. Similarly, the philosopher Plotinus described the one emanating levels of reality. This explains why we feel a longing for wholeness. We are fragments of the divine exploring its own nature. Our struggles, joys, and discoveries are part of a cosmic self-discovery. In this view, every soul is a unique perspective Source takes, learning through contrast. The multiverse becomes a grand classroom where love, creativity, and consciousness evolve. Quantum mechanics suggests that every decision creates a branching reality. The many worlds interpretation posits that all possibilities coexist. Every choice you didn't make is lived by another you in another universe. This isn't just theoretical. Experiments like the double slit show that observation affects reality, hinting at a participatory universe. In the astral realm, travelers confirm meeting alternate selves, each living a different choice. For instance, a projector might meet a version of themselves who chose a different career or partner. This bridges science and mysticism, offering a unified view of existence. The physicist David Bohm proposed an implicate order where all moments are enfolded, and the explicate order unfolds as separate events. Astral experiences may tap into that enfolded whole, revealing the parallel lives that quantum theory predicts. You don't need to be a physicist to explore these realms. Start with meditation to quiet the mind, then practice visualization of a door or portal. Astral projection techniques like the rope method, imagining climbing a rope, can induce an out-of-body state. Keep a dream journal to record encounters with alternate selves or symbolic landscapes. Over time, you'll develop the sensitivity to navigate the infinite tapestry of existence. For example, set an intention before sleep. Tonight, I will remember my dreams and explore a parallel reality. Use reality checks during the day, like looking at your hands, to increase lucidity in dreams. Advanced practitioners use binaural beats or guided meditations to reach theta brainwave states. Consistency is key. Just as a musician practices scales, you practice leaving the body. Soon, you'll have your own stories of other worlds. Ancient traditions like Kabbalah describe the Tree of Life as a map of multiple dimensions, with 10 sephirot representing different levels of creation. The Buddha spoke of countless world systems, each with its own Buddha, existing in a vast cosmos. In the West, philosophers like Giordano Bruno proposed infinite worlds, each with its own sun and inhabitants, a view that got him burned at the stake. These ideas were often suppressed but resurface in modern times. Astral travelers like Emanuel Swedenborg documented journeys through spiritual realms, describing heavens and hells that correspond to inner states. His detailed accounts influenced later thinkers, like Carl Jung, who saw archetypes as patterns from a collective unconscious. This historical thread shows that the multiverse is not new. It's an ancient insight rediscovered through science and direct experience. Why does the multiverse exist? Because Source longs to experience itself through separation and reunion. Each soul chooses a unique perspective, like an actor playing many roles across different stages. The challenges we face are opportunities for growth, not punishments. For instance, a soul might incarnate into a difficult life to learn compassion, while another chooses a life of ease to learn gratitude. This grand experiment is not random. It's a symphony of consciousness, with each note contributing to the whole. By embracing our infinite nature, we become co-creators of reality. We can shift our focus from fear to love, from limitation to possibility. As we awaken, we remember that we are the dreamer of the dream, and every universe is a canvas for our creativity. The journey home is the adventure of a lifetime and beyond.